Have you ever wondered what sound a leopard makes? Well, have a listen. I honestly couldn't believe what I was hearing and what I was seeing, and I really hope you enjoyed as well. So, usually, also when a leopard jumps out of the tree, you usually lose sight of them. But no, this one was here for the entertainment, and I was so happy that my car was facing the correct direction and I was able to position the car just behind him as we were following him, marking his territory, going down the road. Sorry for that hand signals. It was me showing the incoming cars to please slow down so that we don't chase them back into the bush.